Just finished the keg tapping, the ceremonious start to Rennsport Reunion 7. The buzz is already very apparent. It really is a complete week of Porsche mania here in Monterey, California.
It's a dream come true. The best car event in the world. So many Porsche enthusiasts here, so many amazing cars. Looking back at the history, seeing the old cars here is just fantastic.
It's Porsche, isn't it? It's not just the cars, it's the happening and the brand. It's the best in the world, isn't it?
We've just launched new GT3 R Rennsport. 75 years of Porsche this year. Rennsport, 7th year. It just continues to get bigger and bigger here. I think that's a real nice tip of the cap to the iconic journey that the Porsche 911 has gone on.
It's the epicenter of all things Porsche, with energy that's just boiling over. It's all about the cars and the people, and ultimately it's the people that make Rennsport special.
I think it just speaks to the widest range of people. I think that's why they keep coming back.
People come from every part of the world, and for us it's so important to be here. If you go to the streets in Carmel, in Monterey, you see Porsche, 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 everybody waves at you. It's amazing.
It's consequential to the human spirit. Where else do you find these amounts of people in a space like this, celebrating a car brand and a family brand like this, where everyone feels like they've known each other forever, and they happen to be strangers. Strangers no more.